Hello YouTube once more. I am here to show you one of my knives that is right here in the sheath. This is a Wisdom Special 440 stainless steel. And this is what it looks like. There it is right there. This special stainless steel. There's the thing. And look at this right there. I gotten pretty good at that. Yeah, alright. That's about it. About this one. I also have another one. It is a switch. Well, not really a switch. It's a flicker. Like a folding knife. This one is, I forget which one this one's. This one's a US design, 440 stainless steel, handcrafted in China though. But it's holding together pretty well. It's a digital camo. I make sure it's sharp. Flick it open, you just do this, you click that, it flicks open that far. So whenever you do this, you flick your hand a little bit, and it opens up. And to open it, there's a little switch right there, if you can see it. Yeah, and you just push on that, and then push the blade back down, and make sure your fingers are out of the way, or it'll hurt a little bit. Now, it has teeth on it, and it's a curved blade. That's all I got time for. Have a nice day.